Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tamara. This is going to be my first video here on YouTube. And I hope you guys enjoy. All the products will be listed in the description box below. Now this is just going to be like an everyday kind of makeup look when I don't want to do too much with eyeshadow. So yeah, this is just what I like to do. Alright, so first I have really dry skin, so I'm just going to start off moisturizing. I'm using a face oil by Pixi. It's like a rose oil blend. I'm just going to massage that into my skin because like I said, I have really dry skin, especially in the wintertime. And I'm taking this Pond's moisturizer and I'm just laying that on top. And I'm going to go in with it's my Ray Ray palette. I'm putting the shades Pancake, Mousse, and Control Freak in my crease. And then I'm using a flat brush to put the shade Spice, and I just pat that onto my lid. And most of the brushes that I'm going to be using are from Morphe. I actually have the subscription from Live Glam. It's about $20 a month. I think it's a really good investment to you know, build your makeup brush collection. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to pack that on. Just took a moment to put on lashes, and the lashes that I'm using are from Kiss, and I'm putting those on off camera, and I also did my eyebrows off camera, but I'm just going to take a second to prime here. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Filt'r primer, so I'm just going to rub that in, and then I'm going to be taking this Smashbox Photo Finish primer. It's the pore filling one, and I'm just going to really focus that around my nose and my smile lines, because I crease really bad in my smile lines. So I want to take a moment to set those. And for my setting powder, I use a mixture of the Mercier translucent powder and the Makeup Revolution banana powder, and I just mix those two, and I just take a makeup sponge, like one of the reusable ones, and I just pat that in my smile lines. And now here I'm going to be doing some color correcting. I'm taking the MAC Prep and Prime. It's in the shade Peach Luster, and I'm just going to put that over my dark circles. And now I'm taking my foundation that I'm going to be using. It's going to be the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and it is in the shade 335 Classic Tan. I'm just taking a Real Techniques flat foundation brush to apply that to my face. And I'm just spraying my flat top Morphe brush with some Badescu Rosewater spray, just to make it a little bit easier to blend out. And so it's not so cakey, because like I said, I do have dry skin, so I need all the moisture that I can get. And sometimes when I do my foundation, you can still kind of see my acne scars peeking through. That doesn't really bother me, because I like my makeup to look more skin-like. I don't really go for full coverage like that, really. I'm just making sure that it's as blended as possible. And then I take my Real Technique sponge and I just go over that one more time, just to make sure everything's nicely blended. And I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, and I'm using the shade Golden. And I'm just blending that out again with my Real Technique sponge, and I'm doing it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. I'm just trying to make sure that it doesn't crease under my eye. I'm just taking a moment to set here. Again, with the mixture of the Laura Mercier and the Makeup Revolution banana powder. I'm just setting everywhere basically that I highlighted. And then I spray my makeup sponge, with some Fix Plus, just to kind of melt that into my skin. And then I am using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Medium Deep, just to go over, to tone down some of that ashiness from the powder, just to tone it down a little bit. And I'm just going to spread my face to get rid of some of the powder with my Badescu Rosewater spray. Sorry I didn't get here what I was using. I used my Anastasia Contour Cream Kit. And I used the color Cinnamon, I think, to bronze cream contour. I probably should have used one of the darker shades like chocolate or ash brown, but I just decided to use that for that day. Now I'm going in with the NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Deep Tan, and I'm just further bronzing and contouring. And then I'm going to be taking the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek. And this is from the K-Pop collections and the color Flushed. And I'm just popping a little bit of that onto my cheeks just to give me some color. And then I'm going to clean up my contour with, again, that powder. I'm not going to let it sit too long because, like I said, I have dry skin, so I don't want it to sit too long. And I am taking the Anastasia Contour Kit, and I'm taking just one of the darker shades just to contour my nose real lightly. And I'm just going to dust that bake away under my contour. And then again, I'm just going to take the same shades that I used on my eyes, and I'm putting them in my lower lash line. And next I'm going to go on to highlighting. I'm going to be using Laura Geller's Gilded Honey as the first highlight. I'm extra, so I kind of like to use more than one highlight. I'm taking that with the Anastasia, I think it's the A23 brush. And then next I'm going to be taking the Master Chrome by Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm just going over the top of that. And I'm going in with the Artist Couture x Jackie Aina Diamond Glow Powder in the shade LaPeach. And I'm going to spray my face once again with the Pixi Glow Mist. And I really like this. It, makes me look really dewy. The last step here is going to be the lips. I used a lip liner from Kiss New York in Roasted Coffee, and then I used a lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's in this shade Tara, and then I just went on top of that with Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb, and that's it. And that's really the last step, guys. That's pretty much the look. I hope you guys like it. Like I said, this is my first video. If you like it, leave a comment down below. And also give this video a thumbs up. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.